Good morning. I'm Epstein with the Morning Flash Update. This update is for Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024. Well, we had some interesting information this morning that we kicked off the day with. First, the European Central Bank did lower their key rate by 25 basis points, but they also went very aggressive, almost 60 points on the refi rate. So they got fairly aggressive there. Their ideas on inflation, 2.2% in 2025, 2.9% for the rest of 2024 versus originally their 2.2%. So they're seeing the sticky inflation the way that we're seeing in some of our numbers. Core inflation average 2.3% in 2025 versus 2.8% seen in June. The initial claims in the U.S. up 2,000. They were looking for down 2,000, but this is still a number that's right in line. I don't think it moves the market. Jobless claims up 5,000. We're not seeing a lot of layoffs, and I think that's important. The producer price index came out with their final demand up 0.2%. They expected that. Ex-food and energy, it was up 0.3. That's a little hotter. So like CPI, when you get dug into it, up 0.1, and well, this is too. Again, I think these numbers keep the Fed at the 25 basis point cut next week. Energy analysts today are looking for the EI natural gas to show a 50 billion cubic foot injection. U.S. grain supply, well, that's going to come out at 11 o'clock, and it will impact probably corn more than anything else, but beans can be in the mix as well. It generally doesn't really impact the wheat market all that much. Wheat trades on other factors. So as we look at the market, my overall feel in the market has been this is a bear market bounce. September's still going to be weak first. Gold, I'm still targeting $2,600 an ounce. Haven't changed my opinion there. We had Hurricane Francine come in. It's hit the markets, and if this is all it can do, be careful. These markets can slip back. You didn't break very much in the bonds and notes off the CPI and PPI, which is interesting. As I said, be careful in the grain market right here. Bitcoin is just about stable. That's all you can say. Copper. You know, copper is a canary in the mine. Copper, this rally is interesting as can be. Now, I want to dig in and make sure it's not an arbitrage rally, but if it's off of real demand, it's telling us that as everybody's cutting rates, copper's coming alive. Silver certainly gaining on the gold a little bit today. They're going to change possibly that gold-silver ratio, but I still like the gold market for that 2,600 level. In the foreign currency market, as I'm looking at what's going on, the yen down a little bit, but look at the dollar. At first, the euro dropped on these cut news, and now it has since come back a little bit on the market. We will see just what that's all about, but as I'm looking at the last trade here, interesting. It's near the day's low, as you can see. I don't see anything of real interest one way or the other, and the dollar, to me, still sort of just languishing. I know a lot of traders are still talking bullish. I heard one trader today come out talking in the euro going down to the 107, 108 level. Very possible. We'll have to wait and see how this all comes about. Remember, you can get my news reports, you can get the Linn reports, you get our chart of the day with our price counts. Just move your cursor up to the top here. You'll see the word free offers. Otherwise, go to iraepstein.com. Couldn't be simpler. Look on the left. You'll see the free offers go in there. And if you want to learn, go into the course section on our website. That's where you learn all the different ideas and how to chart, how to work with the different studies, my interpretation of them, and so on. I'll catch up with all of you at the end of the day in our market wrap-ups. Have a great trading day.